Hey everybody, my name is Brock Hollis. I'm the manager here at Rodeo Ford Quick Lane Facility on Highway 51, Crystal Springs. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about rock peck repair. I've been having a lot of customers coming in having those rock chips fixed, but some customers don't quite have the time to come in and have that taken care of right away. So I wanted to give you a little quick lane quick tip to possibly give you a little bit of time to keep that crack from spreading. One reason for rock chips to spread is when your car is out in the parking lot, windows are rolled up, heat builds up inside the cab causing pressure, which is basically like you take your hands and pushing on that windshield, and that will cause a windshield peck to spread into a big nasty crack. So one way to keep that from happening is to crack your windows, relieve that pressure. Hopefully that'll buy you enough time to get over to a Quick Lane facility on 51 to have those rock pecks taken care of. If you don't get here quick enough, of course, we also do windshield replacement or any auto glass replacement that you may need. You also can give us a call if you don't have time to swing by for a free quote, 601-892-3511. Can't wait to hear from you. Don't do crack, not when we can help you out. Thank you.